Litecoin is already showing a sign of strength. We are currently trading around 56 cents. We are left with 1 day and 6 hours until this current weekly candle closes. And so fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. I'm expecting to pump to around $62.94 before a rejection, temporary rejection, and a continuation to the upside. So even if we should retrace back into this obvious demand zone on the weekly time frame, the demand zone is between $48 and $38 respectively. It should be a juicy entry opportunity, a second opportunity for those who miss this bounce. So yeah, you can place your limit order around the $50 price zone in order to get a juicy entry should a reversal happens for the price of Litecoin. Now, for we to know what is really going to go on in the long run, we need to pay attention to what the BTC dominance is saying, what the BTC price is saying, and also what the orders chart against the BTC pair is saying on the monthly time frame as well. And before we can really get a clear picture of what we should expect for Litecoin. And if we're even checking the Litecoin data real quick, you would notice, let's check the Litecoin data real quick, LTC. So LTC is currently at $4.3 billion in market cap. Trading volume has reduced massively from the previous billions of dollars of trading volume we usually have. So I think by the time the market becomes bullish once again, we are going to trade into billions of dollars. I'm talking about tens of billions of dollars in market cap and also billions of dollars in trading volume. So the moment Litecoin gets to this resistance zone around $173, we are going to really get a correction from there. So you guys should get ready for that correction. So let's talk about the BTC dominance real quick. The BTC dominance is still currently seated at 58.85%. We are left with 14 days and 6 hours until this current monthly candle comes to a close. Now, just like we had in 2017, 2021, by the time the BTC dominance start correcting aggressively to the downside, just like it did in 2017 and 2021 altcoin season, the altcoin market is going to explode in price to the upside massively. So we are expecting that crash to happen very soon. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. And yeah, so if you're paying attention to the BTC price as well, I gave you guys this chart few weeks ago. It was a few weeks ago. That was November 2025, right? Yeah, I showed you guys this chart and I told you guys history is likely to repeat herself, just like we did here in 2022 when we broke below the 50 exponential moving average, flipped it into a resistance, and then continued the correction to the downside. So the history just repeated. We broke below it, consolidated, flipped it into a resistance, and we have now corrected to the downside to around $60,000 for BTC. So I won't be surprised if BTC loses the $60,000 zone next. We are currently trading around $69,726. So I won't be surprised if BTC finally finds her bottom between the 55k and also 45k territory for BTC. If that is happening, it's going to be another massive opportunity to buy more altcoins, to buy more of your favorite altcoins. So there's no cause for alarm at all. And we might not even get to the $40,000 zone. We might just stop maybe above the $50,000 bottom there and then continue our rally all the way to 200k for BTC. The market makers might end up front running a lot of limit order below the $50,000 level. You never can tell. The entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is not looking good at the moment. It's currently, although it has recovered from what we saw 2 days back, which was below 6. I think it was around 5 then. We are now currently seated at 9. Today is 14th of February 2026. Happy Valentine to you all. So I think it's not over until it's over. Sooner or later, we are going to begin to rally into the greed territory for the cryptocurrency market fear and greed index. So the orders chart is likely to repeat. History is likely to repeat herself with the orders chart. Just like I've said countless times, the 2019-2020 playbook is likely to repeat herself this year. And as you can see, it's obviously happening. The last time we bottomed in that 2019 era was August 1st, 2019 when the quantitative tightening came to an end, and also we bottomed December 1st 2025 when the quantitative tightening also came to an end. And ever since that bottomed, what has happened? We've printed 2 bullish candles already to the upside. So as long as we hold above this multi-year trend line, there's no cause for alarm. There's no reason to panic sell your altcoin bag at all. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe. Peace out.